Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to fix your frozen Venmo account and get it back up and running again. So, if you ever log into Venmo and find that your account has been frozen, don't panic. This usually happens due to security checks, failed payments, or suspicious activity. Fortunately, there are a few simple ways to resolve it quickly. First, open your browser and go to venmo.com/recover. Log in with your account details. Venmo will usually send you an email when your account is frozen. So check your inbox and look for a message from Venmo. Reply directly to that email. And if they request it, include a photo of a valid form of ID to verify your identity. If you'd rather talk to someone directly, you can also call Venmo's customer care. Team at 855-812-4430. They're available Monday through Friday, from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., excluding major holidays. Another quick option is to chat with Venmo through the app itself. Just open the Venmo app on your phone, tap the menu icon in the upper left corner, and scroll to the bottom. Tap Get Help, then select Contact Us. And finally tap Chat with us under Connect with a Human. That'll open a live chat with a Venmo support representative who can help unfreeze your account. Once your identity is verified and any pending issues are cleared, Venmo will restore access to your account, usually within a short period of time. And that's it. You're back in business. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more quick finance and tech guides. And let me know in the comments what you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.